My friends at Muse Knoxville gave me a treasure hunt. I need to start at the planetarium and go north 10 steps, but I don't know which way is north. What on my table could I use to help me find which way is north? What about a compass? But what if I don't have a compass? What else could I use? What about this paperclip? Do you think we could work together to turn it into a compass so I can find north? Before we create our paperclip compass, we need to understand how a compass works. Compasses have a needle inside them that always points north. The needle points north because the needle itself is a magnet. The needle is attracted to Earth's North Pole. That's right, Earth is one giant magnet. How is Earth a magnet? Earth's core has two layers, the inner core and the outer core, that are mostly made of iron and nickel. The inner core is solid and the outer core is liquid. As the Earth rotates, the metals inside the liquid move around and create an electric current. We know when an electric current goes through these metals that they become magnetic. We won't be the first people to create a compass out of items we find around us. The first compasses were made over 2,000 years ago in China from the strongest magnets found in nature. Remember what that is? Lodestone. Lodestone naturally lines itself up with Earth's poles, making it a perfect material for finding your way. So let's make a compass for ourselves. To get ready, fill a bowl with water. Gently rest the plastic bottle cap in the water. The top of the cap will be pointing down into the water. The cap is where your paperclip will rest. Take a paperclip and use a permanent marker to color one of the ends. This will be the part of your paperclip that is pointing north. Hold the end of the paperclip that is not colored in one hand. Take a magnet in the other hand, and just like when we turned the paperclip into a magnet, bring one end of the magnet to the paperclip at the point where you are holding it, and then slide the magnet away from you along the paperclip. Move the magnet away from the paperclip when you reach the end, and repeat the process several times. Be sure that you are only moving the magnet along the paperclip in one direction, away from your hand. Then rest the paperclip inside the plastic bottle cap. Let the paperclip and the lid float and give them a couple seconds to slowly stop spinning and moving. They should remain pointing in a fixed direction. That direction is north. If you want to double check, have an adult help you use a compass to find north. If you do not have a compass like mine, you can often find one on a phone or a tablet. Now I can start my scavenger hunt. In the next video segment, we will be exploring interesting and delicious places where we can find magnetic materials. Continue on to the next video when you are ready.